Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today we're going to be doing some chicken liver, fried chicken liver. Don't knock it if you try it. Let's get into cooking them up. Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today I want to do something a little bit different. You know, this is a southern dish. You know, this is something my grandmother did. Is you're probably wondering what this is in the jar. I mean, in the bowl. It's actually chicken liver. Now, I know some of you guys might be turned off on it, so I understand. You know, check out my other videos if you don't like chicken liver. But we're gonna be, deep frying some chicken liver. Now, I know you guys probably seen some of these in the store. You know, right around the holidays, they always out because normally you use them for around some chicken, cornbread stuffing or, different things like that. But we're gonna be just doing some fried up, we're gonna be doing some fried up chicken liver. You know, a lot of people do that. So make sure you season up your flour, So that's what I did. I add a little Creole seasoning to my flour. It has like a little slight kick, but don't put a whole lot if you ain't interested in that. So I'm gonna add a little flour, little bit of it in there. You can also too in your flour, you're gonna add paprika and black pepper. Let me know in the comments if you season your flour up before you fry your chicken or your fish and stuff like that. Not everybody does it, but let me know if you did it. So that's what I did. So shaking up flour. Now back in the day when dealing with my grandma, they always used to do a brown paper bag. That was always doing a fried chicken. Anything fried, brown paper bag. So let me know if you ever remember that, brown paper bag. Now some people put liver in, some milk or put it in some whipping cream or something like that. But I'm gonna do it the old school way. You know what I'm saying? We only have flour and seasoning, and the liver. That's all you had. You didn't have all the extra eggs and snack, So I'm about to season it up with some black pepper. Not that much, you just want to coat it up, good enough. You're gonna add some garlic salt or whatever seasoning you like. You don't want to season it too much because it absorbs the salt very much. So season salt and a little Creole seasoning, you guys, from Zatarainch. I love Zatarainch stuff. So just season it up to your liking. Toss it. See, I have one hand with glove and one without. Just tossing it to make sure everything is fully coated and fully seasoned. Like that. Put your temperature on your fryer on about between 350 degrees to 375, like that. And we're gonna get ready to toss these in the bag, you guys. Make sure you toss them around. Make sure they fully coated, so seasoned up. Cause you don't want no liver, unsalted. Also, too, if you ever tried beef liver, let me know. We used to always saute it up with some onions in a skillet, and I was thinking about doing that with this chicken liver, but decided I wanted to fry it up this time. I always saute it up. I might do a video on that. Let me know in the comment if you would like to see me saute up some liver for those that are interested. It is an interesting dish, for those that liver, but it is really good, you guys. When I went to Roscoe's Chicken and Waffle, my favorite dish was, smothered fried liver, chicken liver from Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles in Los Angeles. They have a dish on the menu, that they would do fried liver. So if you're ever in town, in Los Angeles, and you go by Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles, and if you like liver, check them out, guys. They give you a large amount of it too. So, don't sleep on it till you try it. That's all I gotta say. Because it is good. Now test your flour out. You know what I'm saying? That's one way to test it out. Flicking a little flour in there. Alright, you guys. So what I'm doing is shaking it off, throwing them, tossing them right into the fire. Now don't throw them in there. I'm just gonna let you know that. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to get burned. So take your time. Liver has a lot of water in it, so be careful when you're frying. Now, you're probably asking, like, have you ever did this in the air fryer? No. I don't think, you know, say everything needs to go in the air fryer. And be careful, because they do pop. So stay far away. But let me finish frying these up, and I'll show you the end results, you guys. All right, you guys, so you're ready to take it out. You don't want to have it on here too long because you can't over fry your liver. You want about that consistency right there. Put it on a cooling rack. Let it cool off. Now, if you wanted to get some gravy and onions and smother this, you can. You know what I'm saying? I recommend it if you like. I just like this with, some ketchup. You see how much it does. It's really, for that container, it does a large amount. And it's pretty good though. Now what I can give you a tip is hook up some brown gravy and onions and put these, smother them in there and have a dish over, have a smothered chicken liver over some white rice. Simple, easy dish, really good, and it's not gross for those that never had it before. Like I said, don't knock it till you try it. It's a really good dish, very simple and easy, to do. This is another Southern dish, that many people that didn't have much food, they ate. You know what I'm saying? So you can't be picky and choosy when you don't have that much. So this was one of those type of deals, those dishes. You know what I'm saying? So I wanted to bring that to you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me know if you ever tried it before. I've tried liver, all different type of ways. But I'm your Chef KC. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. If you've tried this dish before, please leave it in the comments. Let me know if you ever tried this before, or this is one of your family favorites to hook up. But I will definitely see you guys in the next dish. Sorry, definitely. We're gonna see you guys in the next dish, you guys. See you later.